So Kelly, what is something that you and your team members have been doing virtually to stay connected?
Sure. So we do a video conference every morning. It really, brings us all together every day. We tell, each other what we've got planned for the day as far as work goes. And it's just a way to, stay connected and feel like we're still a team, even though we don't see each other in person.
That's great. So who are our partners and vendors?
Sure. So we work with a variety of partners. We really have about 40 different partners in our umbrella. So it really depends on the solution. We have a lot of unified communications partners, SD-WAN partners, fiber partners, traditional phone service partners. So yeah, pretty much all of the big carriers out there we work with.
Yeah, we definitely cover everything.
We do, yeah.
What is the best conferencing solution that we have to offer?
Well, it really depends on if you want audio conferencing, which is what a lot of clients were doing for so long, but things have changed, especially in this pandemic. We were already seeing a lot of video, but that's really the way it's gone now. So it depends. We can sell you a video conferencing solution, and also our unified communication partners include it in their service. So Ring Central, for example, it's going to give you the conferencing platform, the voice and talk platform, as well as, the mobile app, a PC, soft phone, texting, really everything all in one.